A very good morning to all my dear ones. Today we are going to start with science. This is your science textbook. So in this unit you will be starting with living things and non-living things. So we live in a very beautiful world, right? We can see many things which is around us. There are some things which are living and there are some things which are non-living. So first of all, what is a living thing and what is a non-living thing? So living thing is a thing which has life. Then we call it as living thing. Then what is a non-living thing? Things which has no life, we call them as non-living things. So when we look around, we can see many things which has life and which has no life. That is, which is living and which is non-living. So let me ask you, what all things do we need to survive? Or what all things do we need to live? Do we need air? Yes, we all breathe. So we need air. Do we need water? Yes. Do we need food? Yes, because we can't live without food and water. We need food, water and air to live. So what are living things? Living things need air, water and food to live. So they are called living things. So we need food, water and air to live. So we are living things. Then all living things grow. Do we grow? Yes. You all were born as little babies. Now you all are grown up. So we all grow. So all human beings grow. Then living things move. Do we move? Yes, we all move from one place to another. We can jump, we can walk, we can run. So we move. So we are living things. Then all living things produce young ones. Even human beings produce young ones. So, what are living things? Living things are things which need air, water and food to live. So, we human beings are living things. So, you understood what are called living things. Then, let's see one more example. Let's take plants. You can see many plants which are around us, right? So, plants, are they living things? Yes, they are also living things. They also need air, water and food to live. If you keep a plant in a dark room or if you grow a plant in a dark room, do you think will it grow? No, it won't grow. Why? Because it needs proper air, it needs proper water and it needs proper sunlight to grow. So, it won't grow. So, you have to grow a plant where they get proper air, proper water and proper sunlight. So, plant is also a living thing. Then do plants grow? Yes. When we grow a seed, first it emerges as a small plant, then it will grow as a large plant. So, plant also grows. Then do plants move? We told all living things move. Do plants move? Yes. Even the part of the plant move towards sunlight for growing. So, even the part of the plant move towards sunlight. So, even plants move. Then, all plants reproduce. So, we told all living things produce young ones. Even plants produce from its seeds. From its seeds again it grows into a plant. So, plants also produce from its seeds. So, plant is also a living thing. Then shall we take one more example to make it clear what are living things. Let's look an example at animals. You can see many animals around you. Cow, cat, tiger, all these are animals. Now, these animals are also living things. When animals need air to breathe, water, food, they also need food. They also depend on plants for their food. So, these animals also need food. They also need water and they also breathe. and even animals grow. Then all living things move. Animals also move. You all know about cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest animal. So all animals can move from one place to another. So animals can also move. So what are living things? Living things are things which need air, water and food to live. Plants, animals, human beings, etc. are living things. So I hope you understood what are living things. Now moving on to the next one. Now we'll do a small activity. So you have your book, you have your notebook and your pencil, right? So you can take it. On the first page you can write the date, then you can write living things and non-living things. So what you are going to do now is, there will be some pictures here with their names. So what you have to do is, you have to identify which are living things. Okay, some pictures will be there with its name and you have to identify which are living things. So for example, if I am giving the picture of a dog, you can write dog. Is dog a living thing or a non-living thing? You have to think. All living things need air, water and food to live. So you have to think. Do they move? Do they grow? Then you have to write whether they are living. So if it is, for example, one example I give you. If the picture is dog, it is a living thing. Okay. Then write dog, then put a space and you write living. In the same way, you can write the rest of the answers. So you can see the picture of a dog here. Then next you can see the picture of a pen. Then you can see the picture of a duck. Now you can see the picture of a table. And there is a picture of a pencil. And now there is a picture of a cat. So what you have to do is write which all are living things. So you can pause the video, write which are living things, then play the video. We'll discuss the answer and then we'll continue with our topic. Okay, are you ready with the answers? So the first picture was the picture of a dog. So that I already told you, it is a living thing. Then what was the next picture? It's a picture of a pen. So is pen a living thing? Is it needs air, water or food to live? No. So it is not a living thing. And the next one was the picture of a duck. Do ducks need air, water and food? Yes. Do they move? Yes. Do they have young ones? Yes. He said ducklings. For baby ducks, we call it as ducklings. So duck is a living thing. Then the next was table. So table, is it a living thing? No. Does it move? No. Does it need air, food or water to live? No. So it is not a living thing. So what is the next picture? The next picture was, it's a picture of a pencil. Do pencil need air, water or food? No. Does it move on its own? No. It is not a living thing. So next one, you can see the picture of a cat. Do cats need air, water and food? Yes. Do cats move? Yes. Do they have young ones? Yes. We say kitten. So cat is a living thing. So you understood what is a living thing. Then what about the pencil, the table and the pen? Is it a living thing? No. Then they are non-living things. Things which do not need air, water and food to live are called non-living things. So things like pen, pencil, chair, table, all these are non-living things. So you can write pen, then you can write there non-living. So they do not need food, water or air. They do not move. They do not have young ones. So they are called non-living things. So what are living things? Things which need air, water and food to live are called living things. Then what are non-living things? Things which do not need air, water and food to live are called non-living things. So I hope you understood the difference between living thing and non-living thing. Things which has life, we call it as living. Things which has no life, we call it as non-living things. So I hope you understood. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.